First of all, we have to understand what is Howrah and what is Howrah Bridge and Hooghly River. Beautifully, you have to understand that Hooghly is a river. Hooghly River is a tributary of Ganga, and Ganga is the longest river. Actually, first time in 1936, British government decided to construct one bridge, that is to connect the one part of Kolkata, another part of Kolkata, that is Howrah to Badbazar. So it was decided in 1936 during the time of Viceroy Lilith-Go that let's have one bridge on this Hooghly River. And the idea was given by three persons, you can say Pambal, Rendell and Triton. And the way back in 1862, the idea was given by George Turnbull in 1862, and British India Company decided to construct here one bridge. And it is the third largest cantilever bridge, balanced bridge. There is no pillar. If you see very particularly, there is no pillar at all. If you see, there is no pillar. One corner there is only one knot you will find, another point you will find another knot, and in between the river you will find no pillars. So let me clear another thing, that this river is the 7th largest or 7th longest cantilever bridge in the world in present time. And in 1942, the construction ended. That means the construction was started in 1936 and in 1942 it was ended. And 3rd February 1943, it was opened for public, or you may say traffic. So in this connection, let's see this bridge very closely. And this bridge was actually made of pillars, made of steel pillars on the upper side, and there is no pillar in the below, or you can say the surface of water, Hooghly River. And this is very close to Howrah station. Howrah railway station is very close to this bridge. And another thing is that this beautiful bridge was damaged, almost damaged in 1874. You know, Bengal and Odisha, they are very close to cyclone. And however, it was revived and it was made into shape and size, all these forms in 1906 itself. And the idea also in 1906 came for a new bridge. However, it was not conceptualized. Let me clear another important factor of this bridge, that in 1965, Government of India and West Bengal government decided to name it this bridge as Ravindra Setu. Why this Ravindra Setu? Actually, Rabindranath Tagore got Nobel Prize. He was the first Nobel laureate in 1913 from Asia. Even from India also, he was the first person. Even today, nobody is there to get Nobel Prize in literature. So in this way, the Government of India and West Bengal government decided, and the people of Bengal decided to give respect, to give honor to this gentleman, great writer Vishwaguru Rabindranath Tagore. And let me clear in the conclusion part, thus this bridge sees, or you may say this bridge sees lakhs of vehicles and lakhs of people traveling every day in 24 hours. So in this connection, I welcome you again to this Howrah Bridge. Thank you very much. Wish you happy.